Crummies, I'm 1, 2, 3 fat buds. Come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Crummies, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do. Heck, I even love ya. Crummies.
Good evening, Groomy. Today is Friday, October the 24th. I've been holding that on you a little bit. Yeah. Spiderfarmer was kind enough to send me this nice little 2x2 and a FS 1000 rocking light. Thank you very much, Spiderfarmer. Of course, I had a juicer on up. I got the 10-inch oscillating fan. I like that long swing arm on it. You can really set some good angles on it. You can adjust how far the fan pivots, and it also has a natural wind mode. I think that's pretty cool. Of course, I'm not using that. It's only set at fan speed 1 for right now. Just keep a little air movement going on. And I upgraded to the Spiderfarmer Grow Genius system, the GGS AC5 kit. I have it all working and rocking now, along with the Spiderfarmer 6-liter humidifier, which I also purchased. And it is all working to my specs now. I'm happy. Happy. So we're going to rock on with this Spiderfarmer run. You'll find all the Spiderfarmer links in the video description, no matter where you're at in the country, along with my 8% discount code. I finally learned how to copy and paste on this tablet. Ooh, old man's moving up in the world. Look out. Yeah. I have the Smart Grow system on top of my tent, along with the 4-inch inline fan. I don't really use carbon filters other than breeding. And I don't know if I'm going to breed in this one or not. Y'all just going to have to let me know. What we have in that 5-gallon pot is Fox Farms Ocean Forest, a solo cup hole, that I filled with black gold seed starter. I sprayed it and moistened it on down as I was filling the hole up. Of course, I have extreme micos in the bottom of the hole and around the sides of the solo cup mold that I could get to stick. And I filled it with the black gold seed starter. Every scoop I put in, I sprayed it real good and just worked my way on up. I got to the top, got the top all nice and level. I sprayed it off, soaked it down real good. And then boom! Humboldt strawberry cheesecake from my brother for the low for my birthday. Yeah, buddy. It was a 3-pack, but they gave an extra. So I had 4 beans. I picked out that juiciest one in the bunch. And it's in that 5-gallon pot right there. Yes, indeedy. You see down there, you see that AC Infinity pH meter. That's coming. I mean, that's will be one of the prizes in my giveaway. You see that power meter? Oh, Dano Plus power meter down there at the bottom by that pot. That's what I use. That is also on the way, and that's a 80 bean prize right there. I love that par meter. The par is set for that 5-gallon pot. 200 par at soil level. 250 at the top of that solo cup. Running off that Spiderfarmer SF 1000. See that little turkey shoot card hiding back behind there? That was from my first turkey shoot. I've gone to going numbers now. So when I put that video out, everybody that gives old turkey shoot comment, I reply back with a number for you. Hopefully we'll fill that card full of dice this year. The more the better. And the winners of the beans in the turkey shoot, every winner's gonna get beans. But all the winners are gonna go into a nice brand new 2-gallon pot. And I'm gonna shaky, shaky, shaky. And I'm gonna pull winners out. And those winners will also be getting a pH meter or a par meter or Amazon gift cards. It's going to be a good giveaway, so I want to fill that card up. So get them likes and subscribes and all that good stuff in, so when I turn out that giveaway video, we can fill that card up. Yeah. So I guess we'll be back into this Spiderfarmer in about a week. That's straight seed to soil. I'll set my bean right on top of that, right in the center of that pot. I pushed it down with my finger until it was a 1/4 inch or so down, maybe 3/8. Then I sprinkled a little seed starter on top of it and gave it a misting. And I'll mist the pot around the edges, keep the entire surface moist. I'll do it morning, afternoon, evening, until that bean's up and about. We'll see how she looks come 2 weeks along. Let me know in the comments section. Would you like to see Fat Buzz take this strawberry cheesecake and turn it into a F2? So you got something to play with this winter or this spring? Yeah, I'm in that cheesy mood. So let me know what you think. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.